Okay, working with positive infinity is actually quite simple because infinity is so big that very few things actually change. So let's look at examples. Infinity, whoa, infinity plus 4. Well, this is so big that if I add a 4, nothing changes. It's still infinity. What about infinity minus this huge number? Well, the same thing. Infinity is so much bigger than this that this has no effect over it, and we still have infinity. Nice. What about 4 times infinity? Still infinity because 4 times something huge remains something huge. And infinity over 3, no problem. Infinity is so big that even if you break it into 3 parts, it's still way bigger. And infinity squared, well, that's easy. Infinity times infinity, that's huge. That's infinity. And the root of infinity, even that has no effect over infinity because it's so big that I'm still left with infinity. Infinity, almost nothing affects infinity. It's just that big. What about infinity plus infinity? Well, more of the same. Two huge numbers add up. What do I get? Infinity. What about negative 4 times infinity? Well, again, nothing changes. 4 times infinity is infinity. Negative times positive, that's a negative, and that's it. So just do numbers separately to avoid confusion. Even if we get this, negative infinity minus infinity, okay? So something very small minus something huge minus something huge. So I'm still left with negative infinity, okay? The only real problematic situation is negative infinity plus infinity, which is the same thing as saying infinity minus infinity. And we'll get to these two in other movies when you get to these questions.